Hey there, Leslie here. Well, closing tonight is the Paralegal Inner Circle class and Cover Letter Secrets class. Just FYI, 12:01 a.m. Done. So as I get into this topic today, it'll play into this. So the barriers that you're facing, well, what if it does work out? What if you can hurdle over those barriers? It's not as hard as you think. But you've got to convince the attorney you can assist him or her on day one to a point. As a beginner, we can't know everything 100%. We can't. Some of it is on the job learning. So, but what can you learn? I want you to today download the Paralegal Playbook at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look under the Paralegal Resource Hub, and it's no charge. Download that today. It's a PDF. Go to the page in the middle where it talks about researching paralegal duties, but learn a few of them. You've got to communicate that to the hiring attorney where? In the cover letter and during the interview, that you have taken the initiative. That's a big part of your strategy, not bringing cookies or calling and harassing them at their law firm and saying, are you going to hire me? They don't respond well to that. They really don't. Even if you've been told that by a professor, as I was in high school, they don't want that. So go the extra mile in your cover letter, and then more than likely, they're going to see you as you're different than the rest of the pack. You're going the extra mile, you're taking the initiative because you're talking about what you will do to help them. That's part of the paralegal duties. So when they see that, most beginners don't do that. And you will knock it out of the park in your cover letter. So you need help with that? Go take my 2 classes. There's a special bundle price right now before it closes tonight at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so get on board with that. You'll learn so much in how to strategize. It's not going to take you long to learn. There are 36 total videos in the total of 2 classes. 6 in the Cover Letter Secrets class and 30 in the Paralegal Inner Circle class. You want to just take one? Feel free, but you get a special bundle price by taking 2. And that is under courses at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. So you can take them individually, but you'll save dollars by taking both, and it will help you like nobody's business. So hope to see you in class. Take care.